the most powerful thing you'll need is really powerful capacities in the one-pointedness of mind to go the whole way in non-duality and Zen and advanced Buddhism. This is a capacity that you learn, and then when you really need it, because you're going to run into tests that are really quite powerful, stronger than what you think, both overt and not so overt. Because as you move ahead, that which is made uncomfortable or displaced in its control over and influence over mankind begins to get annoyed that you're moving out of that domain and threatening their domain. And so you start getting the challenges, and when the challenges come up, that's when you need the tools. So spiritual work then, out of love and compassion for yourself, and out of love for God, devotion to God, you develop these strengths, these capacities, this discernment. And eventually it's like a knife. You can cut through anything. You can lose anything and everything. Disconnect. Parents, grandparents, country, lovers, wives, children, dogs, cats, houses, titles, anything. In an instant, it's gone. So that laser-like one-pointedness of mind and the willingness to cut through anything, no matter what it is what's going to be needed at a later date. So we perfect it every day. We perfect that capacity. So that's a form of love. All of spiritual work is a form of love. We surrender it all as a form of devotion. Out of my love for thee, O Lord, I let go my attachment to so-and-so, or I surrender it to thee. The willingness to let go of anything and everything to God. In the end, you're asked to let go all of it, even physicality. Even physicality.